So, good evening, all. I would like to start our session with a small story. So, in a city, there was this park, which was called Silent Park. So, in that park, everyone used to sit and enjoy the surroundings. They used to read books or listen to music or just enjoy the nature, do meditation, do pranayam. And the unwritten rule was no one will speak in the park. There will be absolute silence in the park. That was the unwritten rule. And one day, a man came with two of his sons, and he sat beside another man who supposed to be the founder of the park. And he was just thinking something, and both the kids, they were very unruly kids, and they were shouting and running and snatching away books from people, throwing mud, and doing all sorts of nonsense. And the founder of the park, beside whom the kid's father sat, he was getting restless. He saw if there is any reaction from the father, but the father was drowned in his own thoughts, and he was not at all worrying about the kids doing all the hangama there. And after some time, the, the, the kind of behavior from both the kids was intolerable. So the person, the founder of the park, he just went to he started speaking with the person, the father of these kids, and he asked him, "Sir, can't you see that your kids are disturbing the entire environment, the silent environment in the park? Can't you just tell them to stop this? Can't you just control them?" He asked. He tried to be polite, but still he has expressed his feelings. Then the father, he stared at him and said, "Oh, my kids are running and doing some mischief here. Sorry, I have not noticed." Then he said, "What do you mean by you have not noticed? Entire park got disturbed. See what they are doing." Then he said, "Sorry, I will take them away. Just now, you see the hospital there. My wife died there, and they asked me to wait for some more time before they gave me her body. So I don't know what to do with these kids. These kids were crying and doing a lot of mischief. So I brought them to this park. Please excuse me. I will take the kids away." Immediately, the founder of the park said, "Arey, that's what happened. I'll try to help you with the authorities. I know the people in the hospital." And he went along with the man to the hospital. So until the man told his side of his story, the person who was the founder of the park, he was just looking at the incident from his own spectacles, his own viewpoint. Once he came to know about the other person's perspective, immediately the paradigm shift has happened, and he started taking care of the other person. Sometimes this paradigm shift happens very late, and we don't act until it becomes very late. For example, today we heard the unfortunate news of sad death of a rising star, Sushant Singh Rajput. I like him very much. He's a very good actor. I enjoyed all of his movies. And who would have expected that a rising star like him, a superstar like him, who has acted in so many super hit movies, the recent movie being Chichore, which was a very big hit, nobody would have imagined that so much of grief is in his mind, so that he committed suicide. A star who is having everything, he has committed suicide. And nobody would have imagined, nobody would have understood what's happening in the other person's mind. So let us all start thinking from the perspective of other person. When the other person is behaving in an odd way, maybe there is a lot of grief which we don't know, which is there inside, deep inside their heart. Maybe we have to extend our helping hand towards them. Maybe we need to strengthen our relationship before it becomes too late. So let us all work on our relationships, particularly first on our family members, our closed ones, our loved ones, our people whom like we value most, our colleagues, our friends, our relatives. anyone, let us try to extend a helping hand to people who are in some irritation or anger or tension or stress or anxiety. And of course we can do that because now we are much stronger than all other people. We are practicing pranayam meditation. Our mind is more sharper than others. We can do a little bit more than what we used to do. So let us all start with our relationships right now. And I welcome you all to this valedictory session. Sorry for starting with a gloomy story, but I want all of you to just take care of your loved ones. I felt a lot of sadness in my mind when I heard about the story of Sushant Singh Rajput. Of course he is a celebrity. There are so many other people who are not celebrities and who are just vanishing from this face of the entire earth just because nobody is there to care about them. We need to look around us and see what is happening around us. So that is what I wanted to express. So today, as we all know, today is the 14th day, and we have successfully completed our health tasks. Most of us have completed 99% of all the health tasks we were supposed to do, and we have to plan for the future. So before we discuss about our future, I would like to listen to your experiences, how you felt practicing these health tasks, and how was the reaction of your family, what is happening inside your body. uh, Once you started observing your body with yourself, you will be getting so many revelations. I would like to listen to all of these things, and please share with us. And you can switch on your mic, you can switch on your camera, and you can just tell us what's happening. So before that, you can just type in if you want to speak, or if you just want to type, you can just type it. We thought of conducting this Surya Namaskara challenge this day, actually on 14 today, but because of some certain circumstances, technical issues, we couldn't conduct it. But we thought to do this Surya Namaskara challenge. Best day would be World Yoga Day, 21st of June. This 21st June, exactly, 7 days from now. Today is Sunday. Next Sunday is World Yoga Day. So let us all practice with more vigor and more energy. We will try to complete more sets of Surya Namaskar. I can see that so many of you people have increased from 2 sets to 12 sets, and I'm so happy we can increase it more. And we are already preparing this wonderful, very effective preventive medicine for COVID-19, and we are ready to distribute this to so many people who are in need for free of cost. And as I told you, we will be sponsoring amount which is equal to the number of Surya Namaskars we do, at least 5 rupees per Surya Namaskara. Recently, when my sister Sushila, you can just tell your experience regarding what you did in the Surya Namaskara challenge recently. I would like Sushila to tell about this thing so that it will motivate others. The one which
Hello, everyone. Hello, good evening, everyone. Like recently, I had this other group, Pinkathon group. I'm one of the ambassadors, Pinkathon ambassadors. So, as a part of it, I have led this Surya Namaskara challenge myself personally. So, we have this subgroup in the Pinkathon group called the Surya Namaskara challenge. For every 2 weeks, the challenge will be changed. So, in those 2 weeks, the people who haven't heard of Surya Namaskaras also, we have just showed them how to do it, the form, the breath regulation, and the way how to do it and all. We posted a small video and they have started it. And people who are already doing, they have also started like a regimen. Okay, so they started with one set of Surya Namaskara, that is 2 cycles of Surya Namaskara. So we started like that. And there are almost 130 members in that particular group. So every day I used to tell them some interesting things about fitness, about the body, about the health, health of the mind, and everything. So all of us used to do like people who are starters. They used to do like 2 3 sets. We used to do some 12 sets like that. So by the end of the second week, people are totally well versed with the form, with the breath regulation. Because these days, what's happening is there are so many celebrities who are doing power yoga, fitness yoga, aerobic yoga. But yoga is not about just moving your hands and legs. It's not like dance. It's about taking care of the entire system, both the external musculoskeletal system and also the other systems inside our body, organs and organ systems. So I kept on emphasizing on the form and breathe. So they have changed the modifications and everyone was doing perfectly. So we got a sponsor and he wanted to sponsor to some service activities. So what we did is on the final day, on the D day, all of us have done Surya Namaskaras together on Zoom. And it came like the entire cumulative count came around 7,000 Surya Namaskara, 7,000 cycles. So I myself I was the least because I was overlooking the entire program. So I have done 50 sets. That is 100 cycles of Surya Namaskara. And I was the least one. So people had done some 100 sets, 105 sets. But again and again, I insisted them to take a break in between, do according to their comfort level and their strength level, and concentrate on breath and everything. But considering all those things, they have done a wonderful job taking breaks in between. So we have crossed some 7,000 cycles of Surya Namaskara. So we equated that with the money, and we wanted to buy sanitary napkins. So we actually wanted to give money, but we want to give them personally. So myself roamed around in this COVID times many shops, and we have got the sanitary napkins ourselves, and we have gone to an orphanage, and we connected this in my brother's hospital, so we called them there. So the people came and they've taken. So it was like a successful event because we have concentrated on our body, we have taken care of the body, we have strengthened our body and mind, and also by just being fit, by just enjoying the fitness session, we have contributed something to the society. That's a start at least, and it was a win-win deal for us and for the society. We were really happy by the successful event. So I wanted to incorporate in our Swasthya Raksha circle. There are so many energetic people in our, in all the 4 groups and the main group. So I really enjoyed interacting with my group members and all the other members also. So I myself had got so much of enthusiasm and energy with my participants. So I wanted all of you to take up the challenge seriously, and let's wait for the yoga day, and we all will do together, and we'll contribute something for ourselves and something for the society. That's all about it.
Thank you, Sushila. That was an inspiring story. So we had this Generation Yuva orphanage where there were around 45 girls, young girls, who needed sanitary napkins, and money generated from the Surya Namaskara challenge. It went towards contributing. We have purchased around huge boxes of sanitary napkins wholesale, and we have donated to Generation Yuva orphanage. And this time we thought of a better way of that particular time they were having this menstruation day or something like that. So they did it accordingly. And now the COVID-19 infection is spreading, and India has become the 4th largest country, 4th largest in terms of infections. So I would like all of you to contribute just by doing Surya Namaskars. We will match the amount, and we will distribute this COVID-19 preventive medicine free of cost to all the people in these orphanages. So I would request all of you to continue practicing Surya Namaskars, which you were already doing, and make it maximum on the day of yoga day. We will all do it together. We will use Google Meet or Zoom or anything like that, and we will count all the Surya Namaskars, and we will contribute it to the society. Thank you so much. So Srividya Madam says it's an amazing experience. Realized new way lifestyles, beautiful lifestyles, Thank you so much, Sundar sir and Sushila madam. Very special thanks, Rajni madam. And Ritu Bansal ji, you can just speak.
Hi, Sundar Garu.
Yeah, Shilpa madam. Yes, definitely. Please.
Yeah, really felt very nice experiencing with you all. First of all, Sushila Garu, belated happy birthday. And coming to
Thank
my
you so much, Andy.
Yeah, thank you. Welcome. So yeah, we are following that health tracker, and it has becoming a part of our life actually. So as a daily day, we are doing it. So as me and my mother-in-law both are including here. So both are. If I mean, if I'm missing something, so she is recalling me, and if she is missing something, I'm recalling her. So it has become a timetable actually for us seriously, and though from today the session will be completed, but we will continue this forever. And
Hello. Hello, Shilpa ji. Hello. I think it got disconnected, or I don't know. Hello. Okay. Am I audible? I think Shilpa ji lost connection.
yeah, is it audible? Yeah, it was a power cut
Okay.
at our
Okay.
place. Yeah, and Rituji, seriously, she is the way she does. She wake up at 4 o'clock and 22 Surya Namaskar. She seriously hats off to her. She is an inspiring for us actually. Yeah, and coming to mother-in-law, she wants to share her experience.
Yeah.
నమస్తే అండి సుబ్రహ్మణ్యం గారు.
Namaste,
నమస్తే అండి.
Ashalata garu. Namaste.
ఆ, అదే మేము ఫాలో అవుతున్నామండి మిమ్మల్ని. మీరు పంపించే ట్రాక్స్ అన్నిటిని ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము. నిజంగా మా లైఫ్ లో ఇంత మంచి మార్పు వస్తుందని మేము ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలేదు. చాలా బాగా కవిత గారు చాలా ఆ శ్రద్ధ మీద అన్ని అడుగుతుంటారు, అన్ని చెప్తుంటారు. మేము అంత ఏమనాలి, చాలా ఓపిగ్గా సమాధానాలు చెప్తారు మేము అడిగిన వాటన్నిటికీను. వెంటనే దాని సమాధానం పంపిస్తారు కూడా మాకు, ఇలా చేసుకోండి ఇలా చెయ్యండి అని. తర్వాత సుశీల గారు తాలూకా ఎక్సర్సైజెస్ కూడా మాకు ఎంతో ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అండి. చాలా బాగా మేము కూడా ఫాలో అవుతున్నాము. మరి ఇంకా మా హెల్త్ ఇప్పటికి చాలా బాగుంది. మేము ఇంకా ఇంకా ఇలా ఫాలో అవుతూనే ఉంటాం. ఇంకా సరే, ఇంకా ఇంకా మాకు తెలిసిన వాళ్ళందరికి కూడా మేము చెప్తాం. మాకు ఇప్పటికే అడుగుతున్నారు అందరూని, ఇంకా వాళ్ళకి కూడా మేము చెప్తామండి. మాకు చాలా సంతోషంగా ఉంది.
థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆశాలత గారు,
నమస్తే.
చాలా బాగా చెప్పారండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ యువర్ వండర్ఫుల్ ఫీడ్బ్యాక్, బోత్ శిల్పాజీ అండ్ ఆశాలత ji. So mother-in-law and daughter-in-law.
Yeah, she is mother-in-law, but more than a mother.
That's great. I'm so happy to have a set of people like you. And the beautiful part is, like you shared with us that if you forget, she reminds you. If she forgets, you remind her. That is the strength of our whole setup.
Yeah.
So as a family, if we can together do it, as a family, if we can together plan, as a family, if we can plan together and execute all the whole health tracker thing, and if we can plan the whole bunch of activities in a nice way according to our own conditions and our own these things, we can just easily, beautifully plan, so that no one else will miss out. We will have more time to spend together. I mean, our relationship will become strong, our bonds will become strong. We'll be so happy doing all these things. These things will not feel like we are doing some difficult thing. We will enjoy doing all these things. And as you said, we will continue. We will make next health tracker. We will begin making it. Simply just you can we have 16 more days left in this month. We can make a tracker for 16 days till the end of this month, till June 20. And remember, we have to increase the count of our Surya Namaskars. We all will meet again on World Yoga Day, and together we will do Surya Namaskars, and we will contribute to the well-being of the society also. And wonderful feedback from both Shilpa ji and Ashalata ji. Thank you so much. You made our day.
Thank you. Thank you.
మేము ఈ చెప్పిన రాగి ఇవన్నీ చేస్తున్నామండి.
Oh,
అవి తీసుకుంటున్నాము, హెర్బల్ టీ అవన్నీ తీసుకుంటున్నాము. చాలా అంటే యాక్టివ్ గా ఉన్నాం మేము చాలా ఇంత ముందు కన్నా.
wonderful. Thank you so much.
And as in the health tracker, 7:30 లోపు డిన్నర్ చేసేయాలని ఉంది, and 7 o'clock కి కాల్. సో బిఫోర్ 7 o'clock we had అన్నమాట.
ఈ ఫాలో అవ్వడం మాకు కొత్తగా అనిపించి చాలా ఈ గబగబా తినేయాలి, తొందరగా ప్రిపేర్ చేయి, టైం ప్రకారం తినేయాలి, ఇలాగా మేము చేసుకుంటూ ఒకరికొకరు ఏంటంటే కోఆపరేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం బాగా. కరోనా వల్ల దీని ఇంట్లో ఉండిపోవడం ఇంకా బాగుంది, చాలా ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా అన్ని చేసుకుంటున్నాం.
Yes. And you said you will tell it to your friends and relatives also. We will send the link. You can share it with your friends and relatives.
తప్పకుండా
Sure.
తప్పకుండా చెప్తామండి.
Thank you. And Shilpa ji mentioned about Ritu ji. Ritu ji is a real inspiration for all of us. And
Yeah, so I would like to add something here. This is Mukesh Bansal.
Sir, please.
Yeah, so we really enjoyed this journey, and we are very happy to be a part of this program. And we have added a lot of things to this, and especially Ritu. Ritu has done a great job. She started waking up at 4 o'clock in the morning. She's doing a lot of things right starting from 4 o'clock, and she has added massage into her routine, then doing a lot of other activities throughout the day.
Yes.
And even I'm especially inspired by her all acts. It's really great to be a part of this. And she has especially has picked up Surya Namaskaras. That is, she's doing up to 22, 24. Even she's telling 22, but at times she does along with me also, because she does this 22 at 4:30 in the morning. And when I go out for my yogas at 6:30, even she joins us also, and there also she does certain Surya Namaskaras with us also.
Wonderful.
She's doing great, and I'm very happy with this. And today, nowadays we are attending a lot of programs related to health. And today I was in one of the program at Rotary International. That was again a thing related to curative health and preventive health. So there also I learned one thing which I would like to mention here. That is one thing they have started. Rotary International started worldwide. That is called SOS Char Kadam Aage.
Okay.
It means SOS means salt, oil, sugar. Means one spoon less of salt, 1 spoon less of oil, 1 spoon less of sugar. And Char Kadam Aage means we must start doing yoga asanas every day for 30 minutes minimum. So this is what is going to be the lifestyle for everybody in the country. That is what they are aiming at. So I was a part of this. I'm very happy because it gets connected with our program, what we are doing here, and it both goes together. I'm really happy, and thank you very much to you and your team. It's really a great thing you people are doing for the society, for the country, and for the entire planet. Thank you.
Thank you, Mukesh ji. That was a wonderful feedback. And the point which you have mentioned, SOS Char Kadam Aage, we will try to inculcate it. 1 spoon less of salt, 1 spoon less of oil, 1 spoon less of sugar, and Char Kadam Aage. Yes, we will go forward with this. The enthusiasm and energy you have filled in us. Like it's a great thing that husband is getting inspired by wife, and wife is getting inspired by husband, and both of them are together doing this wonderful journey, health journey,
Yes.
and getting all the inputs from all the positive things.
Yes,
All the positive people. It's a wonderful thing to happen to this planet. Yes. And
Yes.
we should inspire more people. More people should do this, and we will never be affected by any kind of infections or lifestyle disorders. The whole planet will be healthy. We will be the building blocks for this healthy society. That's great.
And one more thing I would like to add by this inspiration. Today, every Sunday I go for cycling for 25-30 kilometers. Today also I went, but it was little late. So I was on the road at around 11:30, and it was hard sun. with a tune of 40° plus. And I could see with your words, I was remembering that our body should be such that it should be able to take either hot or cold. In
Yes.
both the situation, body should work fine. So this was the inspiration, and this was the words which I was hearing in my ears, and that worked well. And I'm all right. Otherwise, I was feeling that I might get ill, because it was a direct sun onto me all the time, and I was riding it for more than 4 hours continuously. So
Yes.
it was a great experience. Thank you very much once
Wonderful,
again.
wonderful. So to withstand physical strain, to withstand different temperatures, to withstand extreme stress and strain, we have to strengthen our body so that we will withstand, and our mind also should be strong enough that we should, understand that we can do more than what we think we can do. So thank you so much for sharing, Mukesh ji.
Thank you
And
very
I
much.
would like to invite Sarvani ji, the most enthusiastic person in the group. We are so happy to have you, Sarvani ji. We miss you in the previous meets. We would like to listen from you, your experience. I'm really eager to listen from you, Sarvani ji. Please switch on your mic.
Sure, sure. Thank you so much. I mean, this is totally unexpected, sir. That like there is certain expectations from.
I think Sarvani ji is in Sushila's group. Yes, madam.
Am I audible, sir?
Are you speaking?
Yes, yes, yes.
Your voice is very low.
Very low. That could be because of the internet, sir. Just give me one moment.
I couldn't speak. I couldn't listen to what you're speaking. Hello?
Hello, sir. Am I audible now?
No, your voice is not audible to me. Is it audible to others? Am I
think
having some problem?
1 minute, sir.
No, it is not audible, madam. Sharwani ji.
Okay.
See, others also. Okay. Yeah, take your time.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah,
Sir,
could be an internet issue or mic or something like that.
Yeah, I think.
Are you
Sir,
using
am
the
I
computer or
audible now?
mobile phone?
I am using my laptop.
Using your laptop. Try to log in with your computer, cell phone. Do you have your cell phone with you?
Yes, sir, but I mean, there is no space to download Google Meet, so that's why
Oh,
I joined through my laptop. Am I audible now, sir?
very less, very less. Can you move closer to the laptop?
Okay.
So Meet does not require anything to download. You can directly log in without downloading any application for
In the
using
phone,
Meet.
Okay. No, I think in the phone it's supposed to be downloaded, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Yeah. So, I mean, from whatever I can share, I will just share my experiences. I am also, extremely excited to be a part of this right from the moment I got to know about it. Thank you so much, firstly, for doing whatever you're doing, sir. Thanks to you, thanks to Sushila ma'am, and thanks to your parents for whatever they taught you and, for whatever you're doing for the society. Uh, so, firstly, I mean, I was mostly excited because Sushila ma'am was my mentor.
Yes.
Yeah, and I got to know about her through a very dear friend, Radha Lavanya Garu. So, I mean, since then, I really wanted to get in touch with both of you, and I wanted to share whatever I feel about holistic healing, or in terms of understanding universal principles or anything. Right from the day when I could see that you were, it meant so much to all of you, even as doctors, or even as somebody that we could connect to, because all of you మీరందరూ చాలా చాలా ఇంటెన్షనల్ గా చాలా 100% పెట్టి మా మాటలు విని మా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నిజంగా నోట్ డౌన్ చేసుకుని, అండ్ యు పుట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఎంటైర్ ఇంటెన్షన్ అండ్ యువర్ 100% resolution to give us something very positive for all of us. Thank you so much for that, sir. And I did not expect that whatever I was doing practically meant so much to all of you. Thank you so much for that, and thanks for this opportunity. uh, I would definitely love to, you know, be there for you in terms of, you know, any terms of workshops or being a facilitator for you. Also, I would love to do be and join, you know, with you in terms of the work that you're doing. Also, thank you so much for this. I hope I was audible so far. Otherwise,
Yeah.
also, yeah.
Yes, you are audible. Not very loud, but I could listen to everything you shared.
Yeah. So, అంటే ఇంకా చాలా 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 చెప్పాలనుంది, but I think I will just bore people so much. So, mostly whatever I felt, more or less on a daily basis, I tried inculcating. I tried, you know, sharing immediate feedback with all of you in the group also. Because, I mean, I always believed that immediate feedback is always something that can motivate others also to implement it immediately. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ దట్ అరే వీళ్ళు చేశారుగా వీళ్ళకి వర్కౌట్ అయింది అని ఇంకొకళ్ళకి కూడా ఆ థాట్ రావచ్చు, ఆ స్పార్క్ రావచ్చు టు డూ సంథింగ్ బెటర్ ఫర్ దెమ్ సెల్స్. సో బట్ వన్ థింగ్ దట్ ఐ లర్న్డ్ అండ్ ఐ రియలీ లవ్ ద మోస్ట్ ఇస్ దట్ సెల్ఫ్ లవ్ అనేది ఇంతే. ఇట్స్ ద టఫెస్ట్ వన్, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ యూ షుడ్ మేజర్లీ డూ. Self love and self care will only take you places. Thanks to Sushila ma'am for teaching me this, for making sure we inculcate this in our daily life. Thank you so much to all of you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Sarvani. That was a wonderful feedback. I was looking forward to listen to your feedback.
Oh,
And
absolutely. Thank you so much to both of you, to the brother and sister. Amazing bond that was there, and that is really very visible. I could see from whatever, you know, the kind of connect that you both have as a siblings, as doctors. I think that is wonderful, and we need to learn so much from both of you in terms of being humans and in terms of taking care of ourselves. Thank you so much.
thank you.
Hello, Sarvani. Hi.
Hi, ma'am. Hello.
Hello. It's so nice to listen to you once more. We have done almost 3 workshops, but you are one such person with full of energy all the time, and it's like your call is like a recharge call for me actually, in terms of energy. So and all your creative ideas in implementing good things actually. See, we all intend to do something or the other good things in our daily life, but the way you implement things in a very practical way, that even I got inspired with that. I'm privileged to be your health guide actually. And definitely we would love to host you, or
కడుపు నిండిపోయింది.
so we would love to have you here at our hospital, at our home, anywhere in Vizag. So thanks for the wonderful feedback. I want you to follow all these things throughout the life, and you already enjoy your life to the fullest, and keep inspiring people, everyone around you, in your family, in the society, entire world. Just be yourself and keep inspiring people.
Thanks a lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. I mean, the admiration is mutual, seriously. And మీరు ఎలా అయితే నా కాల్ మీకు రీచ్ అయ్యారో, మీరు కాల్ చేస్తే ఐ లైక్ 1000% రీఛార్జ్ అనమాట. ఒకటేసారి ఇలాగా ఏమంటారు, ఇలాగ గ్లూకోజ్ తీసుకున్నట్టు జంప్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Very nice.
Sarvani Murthy from Sushila Murthy's group.
Yeah.
Beautiful Murthy duo.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe the Murthy is the inspiring part, maybe.
Yeah, that should be the connect somewhere. Yeah.
Great. So like we got so inspired by the morning bowl you have shared, the whole thing in which you kept everything ready. Just you can just jump out of the bed and do all those things. Everything is ready. So we need to make the cues for the healthy habits visible, available, and we need to make the process of response to the healthy habits very easy. And you have inspired us by showing your experiments and your examples. I am so happy to have you, and I'm sure you will be a wonderful mentor to so many people. You can inspire scores of people and lead them in a healthy life way. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. That really means a lot. I think I'll remember this word.
Okay, some people are Writing not audible. Okay. Thank you. And I would like to take some more feedback. We have people from other countries also, Venkatesh, and we have my friend's wife, Sridevi Garu. Yeah,
Hello,
Sridevi.
Sundar Garu.
Hello, madam. Yes.
Yeah, can I say something? Is that
Yes,
okay?
please.
Yeah, okay. First of all, thank you for this wonderful initiative that you have taken. It's a wonderful journey that's extremely motivating and inspiring for all of us. You and your team are working really very hard and pushing us to do the same in a very positive way. And thank you so much for that. Thank you. And thank you to the team as well. Dr. Rajni Garu was my coach, and I need to thank her extremely because she's always been pushing me and my husband forward right from day one, saying మీరు చేయగలరు అండి, మీరు కొంచెం ఇంకొంచెం ముందరికి వెళ్ళండి, మీరు డెఫినెట్లీ చేయగలరు, ఎందుకు మీరే చూస్తారు కదా 14 days లో ఎలా మారిపోతుందో అన్నారు. అండ్ మీరు చెప్పినట్టుగా ఆవిడ చెప్పినట్టుగా నిజంగానే ఐ సీ దట్ చేంజ్. ఎందుకంటే నాకు పొద్దున్న లేవడం అండ్ దెన్ రెగ్యులేటింగ్ మై రొటీన్ వాజ్ లిటిల్ బిట్ ఆఫ్ అ ప్రాబ్లం. అంటే పిల్లలతో చేస్తూ లేకపోతే ఇంకేదో పని పెట్టుకుంటూ టైంకి పడుకున్న టైంకి లేవలేకపోవడం, దానివల్ల డే అంతా every day was not a very systematic day. So but these 14 days, my husband and we decided that no matter what, we should wake up to see the sunrise, and then we did that. And now I think at the end of the 14th day, alarm లేకుండానే నేను లేస్తున్నాను అనుకుంటాను.
Wonderful.
Yeah, without the alarm I'm able to even wake up early in the morning, and that I see as regulating my routine. And the 14 days of waking up early, drinking water before sunrise, that has brought a very positive and good change in my body. And then for me and my husband, this has been an exciting and challenging opportunity. We wanted to make the most out of it, and I think why not, when you and your team, there's somebody other than ourselves that care so much about our health, and they want us to work and think in a very positive way. సో మేము కాకుండా మా హెల్త్ గురించి ఇంకెవరో పట్టించుకుంటున్నారు, ఇంకెవరో శ్రమ పడుతున్నారు అనేది చాలా చాలా అద్భుతమైన విషయం నాకు తెలిసి. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ ఫర్ దాట్. కొన్ని టాస్క్స్ మేము లైక్ ఐ కేర్ అనో లేకపోతే ఏదనో మధ్యలో మర్చిపోతూ ఉన్నా, ద ట్రాకర్ కెప్టస్ ఆన్ ట్రాక్ యాక్చువల్లీ. అది చూసి ఇప్పుడు ఈ టైంకి మేము ఐ కేర్ చేయాలి అని, నో మ్యాటర్ ఎక్కడున్నా ఒక 1 minute to 2 minutes కూడా the tracker helped us in doing some of those tasks actually. And self love, Shravani garu cheppinattu, that's so important. And ఫస్ట్ మనము బాగుంటేనే మన ఫ్యామిలీ, మన పిల్లలు అందరూ బాగుంటారు అనేది ఐ థింక్ దిస్ వర్క్ షాప్ బ్రాట్ అబౌట్ దట్ ఇన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us, I'm sure. And it's been wonderful. యాక్చువల్లీ ఇంకా దీన్ని కంటిన్యూ చేస్తుంటే అంటే అలాంగ్ విత్ ద ట్రాకర్ ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. బట్ ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్ వేర్ లైక్ పేరెంట్స్ పిల్లలు పెద్ద అవుతూ ఉంటే చేయి వదిలి ఓకే యూ టేక్ ఇట్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ అన్న టైప్లో ఎలా వదులుతారో అట్లా ఐ థింక్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ అప్ టు అస్ టు కైండ్ ఆఫ్ టేక్ ఇట్ ఫార్వర్డ్ అండ్ షో ఇట్ టు యూ అండ్ ద టీమ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీబడి దట్ yes, we can do this motivation and this kind of inspiration that you have provided, I'm sure will take us in that direction. So thank you once again. Thank you to Rajni garu, thank you to you Kavita garu, Sushila garu. Actually whenever నేను కొంచెం లో అబ్బా ఏంటి అనుకున్నప్పుడల్లా I would see the WhatsApp messages and those were very inspiring actually. అందరూ అంత enthusiastic గా అంత బాగా చేస్తూ మనం ఎక్కడైనా డీలా పడినా కూడా లేదు లేదు అమ్మో వీళ్ళందరూ చేసేస్తున్నారు మనం కూడా చెయ్యాలి చేయకపోతే ఎలాగా అనే ఉత్సాహాన్ని అవి ఆ మెసేజెస్ మిగిలిన టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ కల్పించడం వల్ల కూడా చాలా అంటే దూరంగా ఉన్న దో వీఆర్ నాట్ సీయింగ్ ఈచ్ అదర్ ఇట్ వాజ్ అ బ్యూటిఫుల్ థింగ్ అని అనిపించింది నాకు. అంటే వీఆర్ ఆల్ కనెక్టెడ్ despite the distance because of all this, and each one's enthusiasm was so infectious that the others could pick it up from where they were actually falling a little low. So that was very nice, and I think we should still be connecting once in a while to share our experiences. It's beautiful. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And the recipes also were actually good ways of moving, keeping us going. Our recipes నేను ఇంకా ట్రై చేయలేదు కానీ I have them and I really want to try them. It's wonderful. Yeah, thank you Sundar garu.
Thank you so much, Sridevi garu. Like, I'm so happy to listen to your wonderful feedback, and I'm so happy you liked our services and all. And Sridevi garu and her husband is working on in a hospital where there are so many COVID-19 cases, and it is so stressful. I know, in spite of that, husband and wife together so nicely you worked, and you have also inspired us. Srikanth always inspires me in doing some great things in life. So I'm so happy to have a friend like Srikanth, and I'm so happy Srikanth is having a wonderful life partner like you. Both of you can inspire so many people.
Thank you so much. You are our inspiration. You, Kavita garu, Sushila garu. I mean, the positivity that you have is just amazing, and no words actually. It's beautiful to be associated with you and your team.
Thank you so much. Jyotsna garu, would you like to share?
Yes. Thank you, sir. So good evening, sir. Good evening to all.
Good evening indeed.
So I'm very glad to be a part of this session. నేనైతే చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఫీల్ అయ్యాను సార్. బికాజ్ అట్ ఫస్ట్ అయితే మేము లేట్ నైట్స్కి లేట్ మార్నింగ్స్కి చాలా హ్యాబిచ్యువేట్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నాం మేము. సో మాకు ఎట్లా ఉండేదంటే ఓకే ఎర్లీ మార్నింగ్ లేవాలా, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ హార్డ్ అట్లా ఫీల్ అయ్యామన్నమాట. బట్ ఎప్పుడైతే వన్స్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యిందో అట్లా మెల్లగా టైమ్ ఇస్ గెటింగ్ టు అవర్ హ్యాండ్. టైం ఏంటంటే మా కంట్రోల్లో ఇస్తుంది మెల్లగా ఇంకా. సో దాని నుంచి మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైం సార్ రజనీ మేడం చెప్పినట్టు ఇంత టైం సేవ్ అవుతుందా మనకి అని. సో వీఆర్ ఫీలింగ్ వండర్, అంటే డైలీ ఇంత టైం వేస్ట్ అవుతుంది అన్నది మాకే తెలియట్లేదు సార్. అండ్ ఈ 5కి లేవడం కూడా హ్యాబిట్యుయేట్ అయిపోయి మోస్ట్ నైట్ 9:30, 10 కల్లా వీఆర్ స్విచ్చింగ్ ఆఫ్ ద లైట్స్, నిద్ర వచ్చేస్తుంది. సో టైంకి అడ్జస్ట్ అయిపోతున్నాం మేము ఆటోమేటిక్గా. అండ్ ఇంతకు ముందు నాకున్న సమ్ అదర్ హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్, థైరాయిడ్, కోల్డ్, ఇవన్నీ కూడా దే ఆర్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు మై హ్యాండ్స్. అవి నా కంట్రోల్లోకి వస్తున్నాయి సార్ మెల్లమెల్లగా. సో నౌ ఐ కెన్ కంట్రోల్ దెమ్ అన్నమాట. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ సార్, వెరీ హ్యాపీ టు యూ అండ్ టు రజనీ మేడం ఫర్ బీయింగ్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెషన్. అండ్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ గ్లాడ్ సార్ టు బీయింగ్ ద పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ సెషన్. ఐఎమ్ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Thank you so much, Jyotsna garu. So happy to listen to your feedback. You made our day, and I'm really happy that we could help you in many ways. And I request you to continue this thing, and we will all meet again on 21st of June next week, next Sunday, to participate in this Surya Namaskar challenge. So I would like you to join us.
Yes, sure sir. I'll be very happy for it, sir.
Yes. Sai Kumar garu, please go ahead. Thank you, madam.
Good evening, Dr. Sundar, Dr. Sushila, Dr. Tulsidas, especially my mentor, and everybody else. In fact, I should say hats off to your team, sir, because the timing of this particular program in this lockdown period is really excellent. People are simply spending time looking at various other nonsense things like Prime Video or some other movies and all that. But this is something where you have really started making us realize that maybe this is the right time to start looking at our own selves and do something constructive so that we can be really fight this COVID, not only alone, with all the other members in the society. and especially within our own family. That's one excellent idea that you have come forward with, and I should really say thanks to you and your team for that. And secondly, Dr. Tulsidas is, when you said you are allotting members, allotting your own doctors to handhold us, I never thought, like in many other programs, when I was somewhere else, I was having this kind of mentors who said they'll help you out. But this is something, it has really happened here. Like every day, like clockwork, he used to call us and make us realize what exactly is happening. If we have any doubt, he used to there and then used to clarify things, and that's just an excellent program and excellent rapport that your team has been building with us. And one more thing is, I can't say that I am very undisciplined person, but I never really managed my time well. This program, this schedule of tasks that you have given, one fantastic thing that I have really realized is how to look at our own selves, how to observe our own body. Many people, many yoga instructors keep saying that you do yoga namaskar, you do this, you do all those things, exercises. But they never really went into the task of how each of these yoga exercises or Surya Namaskar or whatever it is helping the body. Nobody really connected with your inner self, all these aspects. That's where you have really, for example, that kind of turban you are wearing now. The other day I asked you, why this? And the kind of explanation that you have given, that made me realize that, okay, here are a set of people who know what they are talking about, and you are making us realize what you are talking about. And in turn, we are learning what we are. See, one very small thing that I applied once I started joined in this program. First thing I learned was, the moment I wake up in the morning, instead of just jumping out of the bed, I just lay down quietly and assess my own self, my own body, what is happening, that 5-10 minutes, I don't know, I never really look at the time, but how much time I'm spending on bed after waking up, that's something that gives me immense pleasure, okay, this is showing me the results. I am not as tired even after getting up from the bed, after full night's sleep. That's really excellent, and I really wish to continue with the same program, and I hope I can continue this. Thanks a lot, and especially to Dr. Tulsidas, who is after me and clearing all my doubts. Thanks a lot to your team.
Thank you so much, Sai Kumar Garu. That's a wonderful feedback. I'm so happy, and I'm so happy that you are observing the body through yourself, and you can easily see the changes happening in your body while you observe through yourself. And early morning, the revelation, the aha moment you had every day after early morning, waking up, the way you observe your body, and this will lay the foundation for the entire day and entire whole life's wonderful health, observing the body. It's a fantastic feedback. I'm sure Tulsidas and you got a wonderful rapport, and I'm very sure that you will continue. And so 21st June, we will all meet to participate in the Surya Namaskar challenge. Sir, please, VPL and Sharma Garu, please share, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening to you and all your team. I found this program. Actually, this program is referred by one of my friends, and I joined this program. And I went after completing this 14 days journey. It's very satisfactory to be a member of such a wonderful group, health conscious group, and enlightened and efficient team of doctors who is personally guiding and advising the health issues and better way of life practices. I am very happy and satisfied with the whole program, and I will definitely recommend it to my relatives and friends also, definitely. And what I benefited from this program is discipline. So waking up and the way you designed the program, health tracker, that we are unconsciously we are leaving so many things. So, but eye care, oil pulling, oil massage, ear drops, like these things. Even one day we miss or forget because of health tracker and WhatsApp messages followed by our coach doctor and our other group members who did it. It is really motivating and making us again bringing us back to the track and discipline track, so that we also will do. That is most wonderful part, because the follow up of the doctors, group of doctor, your team of doctors, and our own group doctor, or yourself, or colleagues, everything is working as a big team. It is a synchronized work. It's very good to have. So I'm very happy with this, sir. And I personally thank you for designing and conducting and administrating such a wonderful program, leading, and your team of members. I personally interacted with Rajni madam and Kavita madam. I'm thankful to them. And the Sushila madam videos and regarding exercises are very much wonderful and useful for everybody. I also tried some of the asanas advised by her, relevant to my body. I'm thankful to Sushila madam. And Kavita madam is my coach. She made 2-3 calls, even though I am not responding. She followed up and she made me to come onto the track. I'm thankful to her also. And especially recipes also very good. The recipes and asanas coming frequently on day-to-day basis, they are very wonderful. Though I have not tried all the recipes, but I am excited to know those things, and definitely I will try one by one at my home. And my family members also surprised that I am continuously getting up early, and because I am doing that, my son also joined me. My daughter has also joined me to do that, so that the whole family is benefited, even though I am the member of this program for 14 days. Thank you very much. And one request to you, sir, even though you are continuing batches, please in one group keep us in a loop, so that any important information or something is there, and maybe your team is moving forward after training us and after showing the path to us to have a healthy life. I would like to request you to keep us in one group, main group, something like that, so that we will get information and motivation continue like this. Once again, thank you for your wonderful program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much, VPLN Sharma Garu. We are following you actually. We are looking at the wonderful photos and videos you are sending. Your daughter, your son. We are really inspired by your enthusiasm, your the way you are doing asanas and all. We are really inspired by you, sir. And we will continue this group. Actually, we will add it to the main group, and we will continuously keep in touch with you. There is no question of leaving your hand. We will all together will go forward in this journey, and we will have to inspire more and more people. More and more people should join us. So we will not leave your hand. You will not leave our hand. So continuously we will be in touch with you, sir, with all of you. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Sir. Vidya madam, are you there? Madam Vidya? And so we have 3 more minutes. If anyone else want to share your feedback?
My group members wants to share. They're not putting up message, but they're putting up personal messages to me. Teja, Jeta, and Om, and everyone.
I would like them to speak. Venkatesh, please speak. Venkatesh.
Hello, Andy.
Oh, okay. Tejasri, yeah, you can speak. Yes.
Yes. అందరికీ నమస్తే అండి. నేను తేజశ్రీ, మా చెల్లి జేతశ్రీ ఇద్దరం అటెండ్ అవుతున్నాము ఫస్ట్ నుంచి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్స్ మా ఫ్యామిలీ అందరికీ మమ్మల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి జాయిన్ చేయించినందుకు. అండ్ ఆ తర్వాత నుంచి మీరు అండ్ సుశీల గారు తీసుకున్న కేర్, కంటిన్యూస్ ఫోన్ కాల్స్ కానివ్వండి, మా పర్సనల్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ అంటే జస్ట్ లైక్ ఓన్లీ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అండ్ సొల్యూషన్స్ కాకుండా సుశీల గారు లైక్ విత్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అండ్ లైక్ రియలీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ గా చెప్తారనమాట. ఐ రియలీ లైక్ దాట్. అండ్ తను విలేజ్ లో ఉన్నారనుకుంటా ఇప్పుడు మ్యామ్. ఐ రియలీ విష్ టు విజిట్ దేర్ వన్స్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్.
Yes.
అండ్ అండ్ ఈ 14 days లో కానీ మా ఇద్దరికి వీఆర్ వెరీ ఫైన్. అండ్ ఒక్క కోల్డ్ కానీ ఒక్క హెడ్ ఏక్ కూడా రాకుండా వీఆర్ వెరీ హెల్తీ అన్నట్లు అనిపిస్తుంది అనమాట. వీఆర్ మోర్ యాక్టివ్ అనమాట ఈ 14 days లో. అండ్ ముందు చెప్పినట్టు నా ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో అండ్ ఆల్ ఐఎమ్ వెరీ అటెంటివ్ నౌ. అండ్ తొందరగా స్ట్రెస్ అయిపోవడం లేదనమాట. ఇట్స్ వెరీ హ్యాపీ అనమాట యాక్చువల్లీ. Thank you so much for that, for giving us a good lifestyle.
Thank you so much, Tejasri and Chedasri. Like you sisters are so inspiring. So we keep looking at your feedbacks and these things. And my sister always speaks about you people, both of you. I'm so happy.
They're the ones who started with the
Thank you so
photos
much,
and
Nidhi.
both of them doing Nasyam together, everything together
Yes,
on each
yes.
other. Thank
Great.
you, Teju.
And thanks to Srikant Garu,
Yes.
all your family members have joined.
Thank you.
Thanks to Srikant Garu. Srikant Peta.
Yes. So much. I have to thank my uncle first of all.
So, Venkatesh ji, can you switch on your mic and speak?
Hello.
Sridevi garu, yes. Pushpalata gara?
అవును సార్. నమస్తే
Yes.
సార్.
Namaste madam.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ ట్రాకర్ నాకు నేను ఫాలో అయ్యేదే సార్. కాకపోతే ఈ మెథడ్ లో కాకపోయినా ఏదో ఒక రకంగా ఫాలో అయ్యేదాన్ని. కొద్ది రోజుల క్రితం ఈ ఆయిల్ పుల్లింగ్ ఇవన్నీ చేసేది, బట్ మధ్యలో మానేశాము. కానీ ఈ హెల్త్ ట్రాకర్ వల్ల, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ వల్ల అన్ని మళ్ళీ రీకలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని మళ్ళీ అన్ని ఫాలో అప్ చేస్తున్నాను. హలో. ఒకప్పుడు ఇయర్ డ్రాప్స్, నాజిల్ డ్రాప్స్, పాదాలకి నూనె రాసుకుంటారు చూసారా, ఇది తప్పిస్తే మిగిలినవన్నీ నేను నార్మల్ గా ఫాలో అయ్యేటివే. బట్ కాబట్టి నాకు ఈ ట్రాకర్ ఫాలో అవడం పెద్ద కష్టం కాలేదు. కానీ 2 years బ్యాక్ వరకు కూడా నాదంతా చాలా చక్కగా జరుగుతూ ఉండేది, నా లైఫ్ స్టైల్ అంతా కూడా. బట్ 2 years కొంచెం గజిబిజిగా జరగడం వల్ల నేను మళ్ళీ రీస్టార్ట్ చేయలేకపోయాను, కాస్త గ్యాప్ రావడం వల్ల. బట్ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తో ఏమైందంటే నేను చక్కగా నా ఏదైతే రీస్టార్ట్ కోరుకున్నానో దానికి తగ్గట్టు మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రావడము, దీంట్లో జాయిన్ అవ్వడము చక్కగా జరిగింది. మాకు కోచ్ వచ్చి రజనీ మేడము. చాలా ఆమెతో మాట్లాడితే ఒక ఎనర్జీ వచ్చేదన్నమాట. సో తన డాక్టర్ అనే విషయం కూడా మర్చిపోయాము. ఒక అంత ఫ్రెండ్లీ నేచర్ గా ఉండేది. బాగా చెప్తారు. నాకు కావాల్సిన హెల్త్ డైట్ నేను ఏదైతే ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నానో ఆల్రెడీ నేను ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాను. కానీ ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వడం వల్ల మేడం ఏమైతే చెప్పారో దాన్ని మళ్ళీ కొంచెం చేంజెస్ చేసుకుంటూ మిల్లెట్స్ యూజ్ చేయడం. నేను మిల్లెట్స్ యూజ్ చేయడానికి పెద్ద లైక్ చేయలేదు ఫస్ట్. ఇది వరకు నేను యూజ్ చేస్తుంటే నాకు కాస్త స్కిన్ ట్యాన్ అవుతుంది, బ్లాక్ వచ్చేసరికి దానివల్ల ప్రాబ్లం అయిందేమో అనుకున్నా. బట్ మేడం చెప్పారు అట్లాగా ఏం లేదు, మేము 3-4 years గా వాడుతున్నాము అని చెప్పడంతో నాకు కాస్త ధైర్యం వచ్చిందన్నమాట. సో మిల్లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ చేయడం ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను. నేను ఏదైతే రీస్టార్ట్ కావాలని కోరుకున్నానో ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తో నాకు అది చాలా పర్ఫెక్ట్ గా మ్యాచ్ అయ్యిందండి. మీకు మీ టీమ్ అఫ్ కోర్స్ నేను రజనీ మేడం ఒకటే కాదు, మీ టీమ్ మెంబర్స్ అందరూ కూడా అందరినీ ఇది వింటున్నాం కదా. సో అందరూ కూడా బాగా యాక్టివ్ పర్సన్స్ గా ఉన్నట్టున్నారు. సో థ్యాంక్స్ సార్.
Thank you so much, Pushpalata garu, for wonderful feedback. I'm so happy.
Okay, sir.
And Venkatesh garu, can you switch on your...
Good evening, everyone. Sundar sir.
Good evening.
Good evening. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. యాక్చువల్గా ప్రజెంట్ మేము ఇక్కడ ఫుల్ లాక్డౌన్లో ఉన్నాం. దాదాపు 3 months నుంచి ఫుల్ లాక్డౌన్లో ఉన్నాం. బయటకు కూడా వెళ్ళలేదు. కిందకి వెళ్తే కనీసం సూర్యరశ్మి కోసమైనా ఏమవుతుంది అనేసి మేము ఎవరూ వెళ్ళే వాళ్ళం కాదు. కానీ అమ్మ శ్రీనివాసన్ సజెస్ట్ చేశారు, వెంటనే జాయిన్ అయిపోయాము. ఫస్ట్ డే సెకండ్ డే కొద్దిగా ఇబ్బందికరంగా ఉందన్నమాట. థర్డ్ డే నుంచి నేను వెళ్ళడం చూసి మా మిస్సెస్, తర్వాత మా సిస్టర్ వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా నాతో పాటు వచ్చారు. అసలు ఏంటంటే అలారం 5 గంటలకు పెట్టుకుంటే 5 గంటల కన్నా ముందే లేవడం, ఆ తర్వాత నైట్ పెట్టేసిన రాగి మగ్లోంచి వాటర్ తాగేసేయడం, ఆ కంటిన్యూటీ అనేది, ఆ డిసిప్లిన్ అనేది ఈ 14 days లో ఎలా వచ్చిందంటే అసలు నేనైతే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేను, అంతా చాలా బాగుంది. తర్వాత తులసి దాస్ గారు, డాక్టర్ గారు ఫాలో చాలా బాగుంది. ఎస్పెషల్లీ ఒకసారి నాకు కాల్ చేశారు సార్, తర్వాత నేను లిఫ్ట్ చేయలేదు, మళ్ళీ నేను కాల్ చేశాను, పాపం సార్ ఎక్కడో బయట ఉన్నట్టున్నారు, అప్పటికి ఏం చెప్పలేదు, నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కంటిన్యూగా. అంటే ఆ డెడికేషన్ అలా ఉందన్నమాట ఫాలో అప్. తర్వాత షేర్ చేసుకోవడానికి చాలా ఉంది, కానీ ఐ ఫీల్ వెరీ గ్రేట్, హార్ట్ఫుల్లీ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
Thank you so much, Venkatesh, for wonderful feedback. You are there far away from India, but still you are practicing and you are inspiring your family members to practice this. That's a great thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Naresh Padmaraju garu, are you there, sir? Naresh Raju Padmaraju garu, you can switch on.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I'm.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, first of all, thank you, sir, for your team and your doctors and all, for you and your doctors. Hello, am I audible, sir?
Hello, sir. Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. అందరికి ఫస్ట్ మీకు మీ టీం అందరికి థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నాకు సజెస్ట్ చేసిన అమ్మ శ్రీనివాస్ అన్నకి కూడా సార్, మెయిన్గా అన్న లేకపోతే నాకు ఇంత ఆస్వా కానీ మీరు కానీ పరిచయం అయ్యిండ్రు. ఈ ఫస్ట్ మీ 66 టాస్క్లు చూస్తూనే ఇవన్నీ నాకు తెలిసినటివే కదా, ఎందుకు నీ ఫాలో అవ్వడం అన్ని అలవాటు అయినటివే కదా అనుకున్నాను సార్. బట్ మీరు ఇచ్చిన తర్వాత ఫాలో అయ్యేటప్పుడు తెలిసింది సార్ దాంట్లో ఉన్న ఒక కిక్ అన్నది. అసలు అరేంజ్మెంట్ కానీ ఫస్ట్ 3-4 days కొంచెం కష్టంగా అనిపించినా కానీ తర్వాత ఒక డిఫరెంట్ ఫీలింగ్ వచ్చింది సార్. అంటే ఎప్పటి నుంచో ఆ ఫాలో అవుదాం అనుకున్నా, కానీ ఎలా ఫాలో అవ్వాలి అనేది పెద్ద క్లారిటీ లేకుండా ఉండే సార్ అప్పుడు. బట్ అది స్లోగా ఫాలో అవుతా అంటే నిజం చాలా అద్భుతంగా ఉంది సార్. అది మాటల్లో చెప్పలేం ఫీలింగ్ అది. బట్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you so much, Naresh.
That's it.
I'm so happy. And I'm so happy for you and Tulsi also. Thank you. Jayanti madam.
Hi sir. Yeah, good evening sir.
Yeah, good evening madam.
First of all, thank you so much sir. ఇట్లాంటి వండర్ఫుల్ సెషన్ కండక్ట్ చేసి మా అందరి ఆరోగ్యాలని బాగా చేస్తున్నందుకు. నాకు అమ్మ స్వచ్ఛంద సేవా సంస్థ ద్వారా నాకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ గురించి తెలిసింది. నేను మీ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోస్, యూట్యూబ్ వీడియోస్ అన్ని ఫాలో అయ్యాను సార్. సో అందులో చాలా విషయాలు తెలుసుకున్నాను, చాలా అంటే చాలా విషయాలు నాకు చాలా బాగా నచ్చింది. సో శ్రీనివాసన్ అని అడిగితే ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్కి అటెండ్ అవ్వమన్నారు. నేను స్టార్టింగ్లో కొంచెము డిఫికల్టీ ఫేస్ చేశాను. అంటే ఈ ట్రాకరు మార్నింగ్ 5కి లేవడము, సో డ్యూ టు మై ఆఫీస్ వర్కింగ్ అవర్స్ ఇస్ డిఫరెంట్, అది కొంచెం డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది. ప్లస్ నా ఈ ట్రాకింగ్ షీట్లో ఉన్నది డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది. బట్ మీరు అలాట్ చేసిన విధంగా మేడం రజనీ మేడం, నా హెల్త్ కోచ్, చాలా బాగా గైడ్ చేశారు సార్. చాలా బాగా గైడ్ చేశారు. ఏ చిన్న డౌట్ వచ్చినా కానీ యాక్చువల్లీ నేనే కొన్నిసార్లు మిస్ అయ్యేదాన్ని, ఏదైనా చిన్న విషయాలు చేయకపోవడం, ఒక టాస్క్ చేయకపోవడం. మేడము ఎప్పటికప్పుడు కాల్ చేసి ఇది చేస్తున్నావమ్మా, చేయట్లేదా, నీకు ఇంకా ఏమైనా హెల్త్ ఇష్యూస్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే. సో నాకు చాలా బాగా హెల్ప్ అయింది సార్ ఈ ప్రోగ్రాము. నేను చాలా మా ఫ్రెండ్స్కి, ఫ్యామిలీ మెంబర్స్ అందరికీ రికమెండ్ చేస్తాను. అండ్ ఇంకొకటి సుశీల మేడం పోస్ట్ చేసే వీడియోస్, ఆ బ్యాక్ పెయిన్ రిలేటెడ్ వీడియోస్ అన్నీ నేను ఫాలో అవుతున్నాను. చాలా స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు సుశీల మేడం. అండ్ కవిత మేడం పోస్ట్ చేసే మీరు ప్రతిరోజు ఒక్కొక్క హెర్బ్ గురించి, వాటి యూజెస్, వాటి ఉన్న మెడిసినల్ ఇంపాక్ట్స్ గురించి ఒక్కొక్కటి పోస్ట్ చేస్తుంటే చాలా బాగా తెలుస్తున్నాయి సార్. అవి బయట అంతగా తెలియవు. సో ఎంటైర్ టీమ్, తులసి సార్కి, కవిత మేడంకి, సుందర్ సార్కి, సుశీల మేడం, రజనీ మేడం అందరికీ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. అండ్ మా లైఫ్ని, మా ఆరోగ్యాన్ని ఇంత ముందుకు తీసుకొచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్. మేము ఇవి ఫాలో అవుతాము, కొన్ని మిస్ అయినా కూడా ఫాలో అవుతాము. డెఫినెట్గా నేనైతే ఫాలో అవుతాను. అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్.
Thank you, Jayanti Garu. It's a wonderful feedback from you. I hope your coach and you are having wonderful rapport. That is clearly seen. And the recipes every day, the herbs, about the herbs you are looking at, they are being written by Dr. Tulsi Das and designed by Kartika, our manager. Both of them are regularly posting that. I thank both Tulsi Das and Kartika for that. Sridevi Garu, you want to speak?
Yeah, I just want to say something.
Yes.
ఇందాక అంటే ఈ గ్రూప్ లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరికీ చెప్దామని, బయట ఇంకా ముందర రాబోతున్న వాళ్ళకు కూడా ఏంటంటే, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా నేను తెలుసుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ జస్ట్ అబౌట్ హెల్త్. వీ కెన్ ఆల్వేస్ అలైన్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ విత్ అవర్ పర్సనల్ గోల్స్ ఎస్ వెల్. నాకు రజనీ డాక్టర్ రజనీ గారి ద్వారా తెలిసింది ఆ విషయము. అంటే అప్పటిదాకా నేను ఆ కోణంలో అట్లా ఆలోచించలేదు. హెల్త్ ఇది అది అనుకున్నాను, కానీ హౌ ఇన్ అవర్ రెగ్యులర్ స్కెడ్యూల్ మనము ఓకే హెల్త్ ట్రాకర్ ఫాలో అవుతూ మన హెల్త్ కి ఎలా మనం చేసుకుంటామో అలాగే ఈచ్ ఇండివిజువల్ కి కొన్ని పర్సనల్ గోల్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి. అవి కూడా మనం ఇందులో ఎలా భాగంగా చేసుకుని ముందుకెళ్ళొచ్చు అనేది ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా నాకు చాలా బాగా అర్థమైంది. అండ్ స్పెషల్ థ్యాంక్స్ టు రజనీ మేడం ఫర్ దట్. ఆవిడ మీరు మీ పర్సనల్ గోల్స్ రాయండి, మీ హెల్త్ గోల్స్ విడిగా రాయండి, దాన్ని ఇట్లా స్కెడ్యూల్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు త్రూ అవుట్ ద డే మీకు ఇక్కడ ఏ టైం ఎట్లా ఉపయోగించుకోవాలో అన్నది రజనీ మేడంతో మాట్లాడాక నాకు చాలా బాగా అనిపించింది. ఓ దిస్ ఇస్ రైట్, ఇట్లా మనం చేసుకోవచ్చు కదా. హెల్తే కాకుండా విడిగా మనం ప్రొఫెషనల్ గా కూడా, లేకపోతే కెరియర్ వైజ్ ఇంకేమన్నా గోల్స్ ఉంటే కూడా వాటిని ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ తో అలైన్ చేసుకుంటూ మనం ముందుకెళ్ళొచ్చు అనేది I thought was a very beautiful and wonderful idea. And thanks to you and Rajni Garu for giving me that chance to think along those lines.
That's really wonderful, Sridevi Garu. True, we can also plan our personal goals, our relationship goals, our career goals, and once our mind and body become strong and active, we can all fit in everything without getting strained, and without getting we can make it like a play. It's a game. We can enjoy doing everything which matters most to us. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And I would like Nikita Peta to speak. Please,
hello,
Nikita,
sir.
please share. Yes.
ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
బాగున్నానమ్మా.
అంటే ఐఎమ్ బేసికలీ షై టు స్పీక్ అన్నమాట, అందుకే ఇంతసేపు మాట్లాడలేదు.
ఓకే.
మీ ప్రోగ్రామ్ యువర్ హెల్త్ ఇన్ యువర్ హ్యాండ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మేము మే నుంచి వింటున్నాం ఫ్యామిలీ మొత్తం.
ఓ,
మీకు ఆల్రెడీ తెలుసు కదా.
yes Srikanth garu, yes
అలా ఫాలో అయ్యాం. ఇప్పుడు అన్న మమ్మీ అందరినీ చూసి ఇప్పుడు మేము జాయిన్ చేపించారు. ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అయ్యాక మ్యామ్ దగ్గర తీసుకున్న చాలా టిప్స్ ద్వారా నేను చాలా బెనిఫిట్ అయ్యాను బేసికలీ. అంటే కొన్ని థింగ్స్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు నేను ఓవర్ థింక్ చేస్తానని మ్యామ్ కి చెప్పాను, సుశీల మ్యామ్ కి. దాని మీద ఎలా వర్క్ చేయాలో చెప్పారు. చేశాక ఐ ఫెల్ట్ రియలీ డిఫరెంట్. అంటే నేను కొంచెం అంతగా ఆలోచించట్లేదు ముందులాగా. నాకు ఏది అవసరం లేదో అలా రెండు డిఫరెంట్ సైడ్స్ పెట్టుకున్నా. ఇంకా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ సార్, మీకోసం మీరు ఇంకా సుశీల మ్యామ్ కి. ఇంకా ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఇది అయిపోయాక కూడా మేము విల్ ట్రై టు ఫాలో ఇట్. అండ్ ఏమన్నా ఉంటే మీతో షూర్లీ అప్పుడప్పుడు హెల్ప్ తీసుకుంటాం సార్.
షూర్ Nikita. It's a wonderful, beautiful Pata family. I'm so happy that all your family members are part of our Swasthya Raksha program in all the 3 batches. You people inspire us like anything. Srikant Gavi inspired us like anything in the first batch. In the second batch, your brother and mother. Then in this batch, you and your family members, other family members, Tejasri and Jetasri. And we are so happy to have you in our group. So we will continue this journey.
Yeah. Okay.
Thanks. So that's a great session. ఇంతకు ముందు చేసిన వాలిడిక్టరీ సెషన్స్ రెండిట్ల కన్నా కూడా వండర్ఫుల్ సెషన్ ఇది అయింది, థర్డ్ సెషన్. అండ్ నేను గమనించడం కూడా లేదు, 15 minutes దాటిపోయింది మన రెగ్యులర్. వీ హ్యావ్ క్రాస్డ్ 15 minutes more than what we wanted to end it at 8 o'clock. So if anyone else want to share, we can just share within 1 or 2 minutes. Or I would like to give the closing remarks. I would like Tulsidas to speak, Tulsidas and Rajni, Kartika, to share your experiences in this Swasthya Raksha program 3. Already myself and Sushila we have shared. Tulsidas, Rajni, Kartika, Kavita, any one of you can switch on your mic and share your experiences.
Hello sir.
Hello Tulsi.
Hi sir. Good evening everyone. So nothing special sir. Everyone is doing well in my group, and also Sai Kumar garu and Venkatesh garu, Naresh garu given wonderful feedback, and I hope we will continue this for the next batch. And thank you so much. Thank you everyone. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you Tulsi. Thank you. Tulsidas is a man of less words and more actions. My whole village hospital is being managed by Tulsidas and Dr. Rajani. So beautifully, so nicely. It's organic farming.
One more thing, I want to thank Tulsidas Garu for assisting me in making videos. Every day he used to help me in making the video and editing the video and posting it. Thank you, Dr. Tulsidas Garu.
Yeah, all the videos you are looking at, Sushila is performing, the director, photographer, editor, everything is Dr. Tulsidas. Thank you, Tulsi, for helping us so much.
Sir,
Thank you, Munni garu.
sir,
Jyotsna garu, you want to speak?
sir, yes sir. So once again, I'm very, very thankful to Rajni madam, sir. Sir, sir. Yes.
You are thankful to Rajni madam, yes.
లాట్ ఆఫ్ పేషెంట్స్ తో చెప్పేవాళ్ళు, అంటే ఎవ్రీథింగ్ సార్. మళ్ళీ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అయినా మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేసేవాళ్ళు, మళ్ళీ చెప్పేవాళ్ళు. చాలా పేషెంట్స్ గా చెప్పి అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ విని మాక్సిమం నా హెల్త్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఇప్పుడు ఒక కంట్రోల్లోకి వస్తున్నాయి సార్. 1 by 1 దే ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ఇన్ టు కంట్రోల్ అనమాట. సో చాలా పేషెంట్స్ గా విన్నారు. సో ఐఎమ్ వెరీ, వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు రజనీ మేడం సార్. అండ్ వెరీ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు యువర్ సెషన్ ఆల్సో.
Thank you, Jyotsna garu. If Rajni is there, Rajni, please switch on your mic and speak something. People are praising you so much.
It's true, sir. Not praising. That's the fact, sir.
Thank you. Rajni, Kavita, Kartika, if you are there, you can just switch on your mic and speak something. Kartika?
So yes, good evening to everyone. It's been an inspiring journey, so as to speak. Though it's all new to me, I'm seeing the inspiration, from the start to the beginning, how initial 2-3 days people face a difficulty in doing activity.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah, it is because of the network, sir. Very bad network here. A lot of people have been messaging in the other groups, WhatsApp groups, that they cannot, couldn't join because of the network issue. I'm also facing the same issue here. So it's been a wonderful, inspirational stories and a journey to all of us is what I would say. It is good to see a program giving results in 14 days and people getting enthusiastic gradually. So, and as for the doctors, they are trying their best to help you, and from our side, we are trying to improvise things where it could be more helpful to all of you, so that it is also a learning process to Team Arogya Datri is what I would say. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kartika. Thank you for inspirational words. Yes. Okay. Dr. Rajani is also having some network issues. So I would like to close with a small story, with a very beautiful and inspirational story. So there is one beautiful book called Chicken Soup for the Soul. I read this story in the author of this Chicken Soup for the Soul, Jack Canfield, I think in 1988 year, he and his wife, they went to Hong Kong to give some presentation. And after the conference ended, they decided to extend their trip and visit Thailand before returning home to United States. So when they arrived in Bangkok, they decided to take a tour of the city's most famous Buddhist temples. And one of the temples they visited was called Temple of Golden Buddha. The temple itself was very small, probably no larger than 30 feet by 30 feet. But as they entered, they were stunned. The presence of a 10.5 foot tall, solid gold Buddha. It weighs over 2.5 tons of solid gold. And maybe in 1988, its value was approximately $196 million. It was in 1988. It was quite an awesome sight. A kindly, gentle, imposing solid gold Buddha smiling down at them. As they were looking at Buddha around the temple, Jack Canfield, he walked over to a glass case that contained a large piece of clay, about 8 inches thick and 12 inches wide. There was clay inside the glass box, and next to the glass case was a typewritten page describing the history of this golden Buddha. So back in 1957, a group of monks from a monastery, they had to relocate a clay Buddha idol made of clay, mud. They had to relocate the clay Buddha idol from their temple to a new location because the monastery was to be relocated to make room for the development of a highway through Bangkok. So when the crane began to lift the giant idol, the weight of it was so tremendous that it began to crack, and suddenly it started raining. So the head monk, who was concerned about the damage to the sacred Buddha clay idol, decided to lower the structure back to the ground, and he covered it with canvas tarpaulin, and that is to protect it from the rain. Later in the evening, the head monk went to check on the Buddha idol, was it safe or not. So he shined his flashlight under the tarp to see if Buddha was staying dry. As the light reached the crack, he noticed a little gleam shining back through it. Strangely, some shine is coming through the cracks. As he took a closer look at this gleam of light, he wondered if there might be something underneath the clay. He went to fetch a chisel and hammer from the monastery and began to chip away the clay. As he knocked off shards of clay, a little gleam grew brighter and bigger. A small patch of gold appeared. And many hours of labor went by before the monk stood face to face with an extraordinary solid gold Buddha. Historians believe that several hundreds of years before the head monk's discovery of this golden Buddha, Burmese army was about to invade Thailand. Then it was called Siam. The Siamese monks, realizing that their country would be soon attacked, they covered the precious golden Buddha with an outer covering of clay in order to keep their treasure from being looted by Burmese. Unfortunately, it appears that all the Burmese have slaughtered every one of the Siamese monks, and the well-kept secret of the golden Buddha remained intact until the day in 1957. So, see, reason I like this story because it describes our nature. When we are born, we are pure and shine with light like golden Buddha. As time moves on, we pick up ways to be in the world based on our experiences, the inputs, the preconditioning which is coming from various directions. We take everything, and essentially we start to cover up the light within us. This anger, resentment, sadness, fear, these are all the ways to cover up our true essence. Beliefs get formed, preconditions get formed, and many years later, if we don't have this careful introspection, if we don't introspect inside ourselves, we continue to live based on those beliefs. So these beliefs are coming from outside. So without realizing that you can continue to live this for many years, sometimes a lifetime we live like this, without understanding, without discovering the God within us. So with courage and determination, we can peel away all the layers of clay that are hiding our own true sense, the real God Buddha, or real Rama, the golden Allah, the golden Jesus. It is, the God is inside us. All you need is more light. You know, when I read the story, I could feel what the monk must have felt when he stood face to face with this extraordinary, solid golden Buddha. Imagine the relief and awesomeness of seeing something so magnificent. Imagine feeling this way about yourself once you uncover all that is hiding in your, if you just remove all the layers of this anger, resentment, and all the misbeliefs, and you just bring out the true essence, the God, the divinity inside you. See, I read a quote: we can try many ways to get rid of darkness, but none is effective as simply by increasing the light. We can just increase the light, get rid of the darkness. Asatoma sadgamaya, tamasoma jyotirgamaya. So the divinity within ourselves will be brought outside just by removing all these layers which are covering our true essence. So I hope this particular session which we are all undergoing, this will start shedding some light, and you will all remove these layers and bring out the divinity within you, and we will all together go forward. This is the foundation for us. With this foundation, we will build a beautiful structure called healthy society, and you are all the foot soldiers in our war against all these diseases and ill health. We will all hope and work for happiness and prosperity. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for being a part of our family. We will all be together forever. We will continue this journey. Thank you so much.